fork on it. Man, I hate shouldn't have that thing hanging around like it is. You shouldn't be hanging, flexing around on that hose. That's all that hose is for. It's just to be a hose. All right. Fortunately, keep going. Ready? Man, really everywhere. Wow. Man, I'm being stubborn today, huh? Wow. Phew. Man, stubborn. Here from the top now. I got no swing left. Man, thought that would be simple. And pain in my butt. Wow. Ouch. Knee on the knee on your head. Hi. Hey. What the heck? Holy cow. Let go. Wow. Phew. Phew. I gotta take that damn thing down. Yeah. Sometimes you whack the seat here. It'll make it let go. Guess not. Oh. Wow. Oh man, come on. This is supposed to be the easy part. Finally. There you go. Pain in the butt. Oh, jeez. Whiz. Okay. All right. I'm gonna let it go with that for tonight. Leave everything just like it is. All right, there's the ball. Oh. Dump socket. All right, there's a combination of the two up close. Ball fits right inside that socket. Eventually it wears out. There we go. That's the way it goes, but back in there. Okay. Now muck it up the threads on that, so never gonna get the nut back on it. So if all you're doing is a strut repair, all you want to use is the fork. Don't pop it out. Don't bang on the threads. All right. Well, I'm done for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, definitely share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next Project Mustang. All right, welcome back. And today it's to get the ball joint in. I don't need all this stuff that I got now. It's a misty. We're 43 degrees. It's misty, rainy, snowy kind of thing. So I'm gonna get this done. All right, I don't need this anymore. We'll get these out of the way. I'm actually probably gonna have to move that piece of block. Okay, here's our ball joint. Give me a Moog. That's what you're looking at right there. All brand new. There's actually grease in it. It's gonna have a grease fitting. You're gonna have a cover. Just gonna go right up here. Right through there like so. And press it in. Alright. I went to Advance last night. They've got their loaner/buy program, I want to call it. They say free loaner tools to do your job. Well, not exactly. You have to pay the cost for the tool, but they give you 30 days to bring it back. So, and then you get your money back, but you got to pay for it in advance. Here's here's your screw. You can put that on the bottom. This is going. You got two different ways to do it. And in my case, you can basically set it up the way you want. Here's your lower piece, and let's get the. So let's see. Put your things all lined up here.